What is going on, YouTube? I am back with another video, man, and I got a special guest, man. I have the biggest flexer, the Dodge dealership himself, man. Big, sturdy, man. I'm gonna drop all of his info, his Instagram, YouTube, all of that below on the links, you guys. You're gonna see it on the screen. And if you don't know, man, this man has had more Dodges than your car club, and I just bought one of them. And you can see it behind me. Let's dive into it. All right, you guys, what you see is a 2023 Dodge Durango Hellcat in black. Wait on it, man. With the red seats. The craziest and most rare car you're gonna see on the road, man. You guys know they only made 1 year of these. Then they had a whole issue and started letting people order them again. But I guarantee you there's less of these than of a 13, 20-year Demons and anything else, man. And I decided to purchase it from him because I'm about to leave. You gonna miss the car, bro? Man, he got enough. Don't even, he got enough. Don't even worry about it, man. But if you have not seen a Durango Hellcat, this is what it is. We gonna hop in. We're gonna go for a ride. I'm gonna show you the sticker. And we're gonna go from there. You heard that, man? He just made 30,000 over. Look at that. Boy, I want y'all to see what the sticker is. Yeah.
I ordered 10 cars last year to make the plays this year.
Oh.
And I wasn't thinking about it. I wasn't thinking about it.
He ahead of the game, ain't it?
You know what I'm saying? It's a chessboard.
But I want y'all to see, you got base price and total price. And if you know anything about Dodge right now, you know the price markups are crazy. So we're not even gonna talk about how much this car really costs. But you wanna be real and how plugged in he is and why he throwing me a deal. Look at this. Look at that. That's crazy. You can't pay Dodge to give you that price. Somebody sponsored my dog. All right, man, so tell me a little bit about the car. I know you ordered it off the dealership.
Faster than track out.
Oh.
Out the road.
Okay.
Faster than track out.
All right.
But no, yeah, shit. My guy at National Dodge in Jacksonville, North Carolina, he'll look out the way, but hit him up, built the relationship with him. As soon as I got word from one of my people at the other dealerships that they opened up the orders, called around, see what was going on, and he offered me a hell of a deal. So went ahead and ordered that thing up.
Yeah.
Checked it out. I do actually think I can't find no messages to prove it, but I think I ordered the Destroyer gray. They just gave me black. I think that would happen.
That black look good though.
Because that's what I have for 21, so I ordered the same thing.
For sure.
But the black look good, like you said. I fooled with it. I ain't mad by no man.
No. Okay.
I can let it live.
All right.
Now, yeah, that ordered it in November. Got it. They called me and told me it came in the day before my birthday. Oh shit, it was a great time, good time.
For sure. That's a big flex right there. And mind you, this man done had a track hawk and he just told you this faster than the track hawk. He liked this better than a track hawk, which is why I'm finna take it off his hands. I'm good. If it's faster than the track hawk, I'm all right. And I done been in some fast cars. But like I said, these red seats go crazy. Crazy. Let's go for a ride. I'm a professional driver for real, y'all just didn't know it. Oh yeah, jump a little bit. I'm a professional driver for real, y'all just didn't know it. Oh, boy, this joint squat. All right, this is the only Dodge I ain't never drove for real, bro.
A Durango Hellcat. Nah, yeah, shit, the track hawk quicker.
Yeah.
It is, but this faster. Okay. Top end speed.
I didn't even fucking.
I got you, bro. I seen the clip.
You got it?
I said, you do it again. Go ahead. Hey.
This shit's automatically in 707 with a, I want to call that shit.
So, ready to go.
And that's all-wheel drive, ain't it?
Yeah.
But this bitch sit kind of high, I ain't gonna hold you.
Yeah, sit down, buddy.
I don't know.
Real good. Now this be my own tag. My tag ain't came in.
Oh yeah, I got you. Trust me, I'm riding dirty right now. My shit say 222.
Oh yeah, shit.
Talk to some people that know me.
Yeah, I don't see this too often, huh?
I'm a professional driver for real. Y'all just didn't know. Yeah, jump a little bit. Ted, I'm gonna have you send me some clips for real.
Oh, hurry, I got you.
This bitch crazy. I'll take this over the track off, and I've been in the car for.
Man, I guess, I don't know. I just like that track, bro.
But you know, my home.
You ain't got to dog this out yet,
Yeah.
Well, nah, to be honest.
I'm gonna find me a little scooted duck down joint. And I know the police be everywhere, and I'm trying to get some downtown footage right quick and then pull back up, cause I know I can go straight down and straight back up right there. But shit, I done drove a track. I almost bought one. And I was like, nah, cause you pull up, and I'm gonna say this it's on camera too. Bitches don't know what no track hawk is. So you pull up next to a Lambo, bitch know what a Lambo is, ain't it?
Nah, that's a fact.
That is-
You know what I'm saying?
It takes
You
a
don't-
special kind of female to know what that track
yeah,
is.
you don't know what a track hawk and they know what a Hellcat is. They got a big ass shit on the side, but you don't know what it is. You just getting in a Jeep, and that's what you think it is.
Oh, yeah, this shit like that.
This joint is smart. Boy. Yeah, this joint.
We waiting on you.
Are we good?
Yeah.
All right, y'all see it. Brand new 2023 Durango Hellcat. Shout out to Sturdy on this one. We out.